So I'm going to talk about temporary view hide isolate. It's little sunglasses icon down here. Now this is one of my favorite commands, and I encourage you to learn the keyboard shortcuts. So the first one, HH, is just to hide an object. HR will bring that back. IC will isolate the category. HR bring it back. Now this works across multiple categories. I can isolate the doors and the walls. Isolate categories, doors and walls. I can also hide categories, and that includes multiple categories for HC for hide categories. Right. I can also do a hide isolate on a particular group of things. Makes it really easy to view just your objects, and it doesn't affect other users that are in the model. I think this is a much more efficient way than creating section boxes around objects to work on it. This also works if you want to go and select some items in plan, go to a 3D view, go select previous. Now I've got those items from plan. I can go hide isolate to see where they are.